Hello everybody, my name is Alistair Cornell of the Premier Group. I'm at our newest listing at 10 Danbury Court in the Shadow Lake Village, a wonderful adult community in the heart of Red Bank, New Jersey. Come on in and let me take you for a quick tour of this beautiful property. The entire home has been reimagined from the ground up, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 1,300 square feet of gorgeous living space. Right now we're in the main living area, which features the dining room and family room in this open plan concept. The entire floors have been redone and the walls have been accented beautifully with this amazing trim work. Here we are in this newly renovated kitchen, granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and this beautiful island breakfast bar. Now we're in the master bedroom where the magic happens. Take a look at this walk-in closet and this beautifully renovated bathroom. Area features this elegant chandelier, this wood-burning fireplace leading into this incredible sunroom, which even on a rainy day is sure to put a smile on anyone's face. Listed at $369,000, this incredible home won't last long. Contact me today for a private tour.